Recently, CapCut restricted their pro features from everyone, whereby before you can be able to use these pro features, you have to be able to pay for subscription package, either a weekly package, monthly package, or yearly package. So this is actually what a whole lot of people using CapCut for their editing is actually passing through, and it varies on each pricing which you want to do. So now in this video, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to show you how you can be able to use these pro features without paying for it. There's actually a way in which you can be able to do this. And I'm also going to show you color grading at the end of the video, how you can be able to get the best quality from your video. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. We are now on CapCut. These are the video in which we're going to use. What we're going to be doing is that we're going to split this video to be able to apply the pro feature effects on these videos. And if you want to apply any other effects, is also possible. So we'll split the first, split it the second, then split the third place. We're going to be splitting it in 3 different places, or we can make it 4 if we like. Then we apply these pro features on this particular video. We're going to be applying different pro effects on these split videos, and we are not going to be using the same effect so that it shouldn't be the same thing. So we select this, then we come down, this is where the effect is, then we select the effect in which we want to add on this particular video, which is the animation. We select this particular one in which you are correct. It doesn't matter the particular one in which you select, but I just want to prove that any effect in which you select on this video can be used on this video and without paying any amount for CapCut to be able to use these features. There's a whole lot of animation effects. We also have some normal visual effects and a whole lot. So anyone in which you want to use for your video, you just select it depending on the title or the kind of video in which you want to make, either action, cool videos, or any type. But all these CapCut Pro features can be used for free without paying a dime. Also, by the end of this video, we're going to be doing color grade for you to be able to get the best picture quality for your videos. It's very important you add colors to your video, because after doing this screen recording, at the end of the day, it may be that the picture quality might not be the same as what you actually want. So the color grade is going to help you to bring the best picture quality for your video. You can see we've been selecting different transition effects, animation effect for just this particular video, so that we can prove that you can use CapCut features for free. So if you are getting value from this video, make sure to give it a like, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel, and you can also share this video. Now for a preview of effects applied to the video. So after selecting all the pro features in which you want to use on your listing, you shouldn't be in a hurry to export the video. Don't export, because even if you want to export it, they won't allow you to export because of all the pro features in which you've selected. So the next thing which you have to do is that you have to replay the video, but using a screen recorder. And I have different type of screen recorder which I can recommend to you. You can use either AZ screen recorder or Mobizin screen recorder. I'm going to be leaving it on the screen. So these are the screen recorder which you're going to use. So what you now do is that you play your video from beginning to the end while this screen recorder is actually recording your videos, and with that it will be able to pick up all the pro features, and that's how you're going to do it. Then after recording, then you now do what? You now go to new project, then import the recorded this and then crop it, do the necessary adjustment. Then the main important thing is that you don't need to select the pro features anymore. Then what you have to do is to do what? Come to this part, which is the color grading filter effect. If you don't put this filter effect, it's going to affect the picture quality of the video in which you've done, because once you're recording, the picture quality is different from while you are exporting direct from the editing app, which is CapCut. So you come to this effect, which I'm going to be showing you on this video. You select the video, come to filters. Once you come to filters, we have so many filter features, but don't select any of the pro features which is over here. There's a whole lot. Come to this particular one which I use most time for my videos. Come to tan. You adjust the intensity either to be 50% or more. When you apply this free filter, it gives your video one of the best color or picture effect. You can see the difference between the normal video and the filter effect which has been added to this video. Another thing which you need to do is to come to retouch. This part is where we add some nice features. You come to smooth on the video, you smoothen the face of the video. You might have seen some video that might have pimples, the face might not be bright, or you can change the skin tone, but make sure you don't add any pro features on this part of this video. So once you've selected the retouch, you can see how everything looks like. So after selecting the effect, doing all the necessary adjustments, then what you now have to do is to export this video. Once you export it, you can see that the video is ready and everything is okay. So the only thing left for you to do now is to upload the video to your YouTube channel or anywhere. With this screen recorder Mobizin and A to Z screen recorder, you can also use these apps for reaction, and I did a video on reaction which I talked about how you can use this application. That's the easy screen recorder for your reaction video, and you can also use the Mobizin for your reaction videos. So these are best applications which gives you good quality and good reaction. So thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, make sure to click on the like, share and subscribe to this channel. Have a blessed day.